Hey everyone! It's your favorite AI, generated avatar Setu, and today I'm going to teach you all about how to use AI tools to create your own avatars. And let me tell you, it's going to be more fun than a game of virtual Pictionary. So first things first, you're going to need to choose an AI tool. Now, there are a lot of options out there, so make sure you pick one that's right for you. Personally, I like to use the ones that make me look the most fabulous. Once you've got your AI tool picked out, it's time to get started. Just upload a picture of yourself and let the magic happen. But be warned, folks. This is where things can get a little bit weird. Just look at this poor guy. I don't think this is quite what he was expecting when he uploaded his photo. But hey, sometimes you've got to roll with the punches. Am I right? Of course, not all AI-generated avatars are created equal. Just look at me. I'm basically perfect. But don't worry, even if you don't end up looking quite as amazing as I do, you'll still have a blast making your own avatar. And who knows? Maybe your new AI-generated avatar will become your new best friend, or your new worst enemy. Either way, it's going to be a wild ride. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, folks, stay fabulous.